main things which where whole YouTube is covered. Okay. YouTube profile optimization elements, YouTube video ideas, YouTube video scripts, integrating keywords. See, when I say video, I am not specifying about marketing videos or ad videos. Whatever, video is a video. Once you know how to generate very good videos, it becomes easier for you to segregate between marketing and ad videos. Okay. Same format, it is just that a bit, we can just have a practice, quick practice. Okay. So when it comes to profile optimization elements, the most important thing on YouTube is YouTube banner. What exactly should come on a YouTube banner? If you are clear, see, if you know that you are handling a YouTube channel, and if you're clear about what should come in the channel banner, well and good. If you have a question mark at what should be there, how should I start thinking, then banner should be. You can just use this, you know, studies. And description, not extremely very important, but in the description, you have to mention keywords. It just helps you for YouTube SEO very well. Okay. So, okay, I just mentioned the prompt. Okay. You are an expert. See, follow the prompt properly. You are an expert YouTube marketer with 10 years of experience in handling YouTube channels for popular brands like Apple, Samsung, and others. So I'm just trying to give him in context. You are this. Okay. Keep your role. You need to imagine that you are now working for Skillset Academy as a YouTube marketer. In these lines, I have mentioned role very clearly. Your first task is to come up with the content for their banner and YouTube on YouTube channel. This is the specific task. You need to be very thoughtful for the visitors and give sentences and the description of the banner image in a manner that a new visitor must understand what is the page all about. Okay, this is the situation. Skillsted Academy ideally wants to start a YouTube channel with the perspective of helping people learn various concepts and skills like topics from SEMA professional qualification, various digital marketing skills, technical job skills like interview preparation, resume writing, and so on. It also aims to motivate people to invest their time and money in learning and development. Okay. You need to make sure that you should avoid jargons and marketing buzzwords while suggesting the banner, content, and image. Please reflect Skillstride's branding in the banner by suggesting a very good blend of dark blue, white, and grass green at places. So I've just specifically mentioned everything what exactly I want. Okay, the role, the task, the situation, what I don't want, what I want, everything is mentioned. So in this format, you should mention very clearly, copy and now paste. You will get very good responses where you will be able to evaluate whether it is right or wrong. See, banner text, subtext, call to action, description of the banner image, everything they will mention in detail. You just have to do it properly. Design aesthetics, final touches. So when you're asking ChatGPT for designing and elements like that, it helps you to connect with the graphic designer really well. Because see how exactly it works is, as a marketer or advertiser, you have something in your mind to showcase. Now, if you want to make it visually real, then you have to tell that idea and understanding to the designer. Only then a designer will be able to design properly. If you just give the content, he will design as per his requirement. No, he will not design as per your requirement. That's why you require very clear areas. So if I see banner main text empower your learning journey. So when I mentioned this in a banner very clearly, it is very clear that this channel is for learning. Everybody will learn that this channel is for learning. Unlock skills in SEMA, digital marketing, interview prep, and more. So if something is about their concerns, they will explore. Call to action, start learning today, subscribe for free education and inspiration. Now you just imagine anybody coming to our banner, seeing this, will they not be interested? As per this field, I'm telling you, if some medical student is coming, they might not be interested. As per this field, It is there are three main points that I've mentioned very clearly: learning, discourses, free education. If these three things will help them to follow the page very easily. Now see, the banner background should be gradient blend of dark blue and grass green. Now see, for us, we are not designers, so we might not understand this. But if whoever is a proper designer, if you show them that a gradient blend of dark blue and grass green, what it does it mean? It will know. The gradient आता ना gradients dark blue start होके green में चले जाता, right? See, symbolizing growth, development, professionalism. This blend also reflects skill strides branding, promoting a sense of calmness and focus necessary on learning. Element, central visual, a stylized open book icon in white, setting at the heart of the banner. This icon represents the foundation of learning and diverse knowledge. Skillset Academy offers. Supporting graphics around the book includes subtle, semi-transparent icons or illustrations representing the Academy's core teaching areas. Okay? Motivational element, incorporate a small inspirational quote in a clean white font in a unobtrusive, unobtrusive part of the banner, such as lower left corner. So basically, if you see, invest in your future, one skill at a time. So if you see, they have clearly, he has clearly given me a visual designing of a banner as well. So what I will, if I submit this to a designer, I can expect a very good result, which is as per me. Obviously, designer will have questions like this, if we should be able to explain. That is how the banners are created. Randomly, you think of something and then you don't explain the designer properly, you might not get a very good response. So that's why I just mentioned here to understand that you should be really clear as to what should come in the banner and give the prompt properly. Am I clear with this? Any doubts? No? I hope everybody is following. Okay. Then channel description. Now give me a description from YouTube channel, meeting our guidelines, all those things I've just mentioned again. As per the information which is above, it will give you very good description. The only thing is mention. Now give me a description for my YouTube channel, meeting YouTube guidelines. Ideally, the description should be simple to understand, gives a clear information about what is the academy all about. Please make sure you use some commonly used keywords in the description. Now, why I mention commonly used keywords? Because as of now, I have not done a keyword strategy for YouTube. But if you're handling it, you should make sure that you are doing a keyword strategy, know what are the keywords, and mention that. Make sure you use these keywords. Okay. So you will get a very beautiful description. You can read it through, edit as per your requirement, see if you want to make some changes, and then use it for yourself. Okay, that's how descriptions are made. Are we clear? Yeah, you're able to follow, right? There are similar aspects some a bit formatting different way. Okay. Now see, if you want to, let's say, decide on YouTube strategy like we had in our assignment, right? Let's say three posts you want to make. So three ideas. Like I told you, everything starts with ideas first. So come up with three ideas. Now, how will you come up with ideas? Now you have to detail your prompt. Let's start developing SkillStride YouTube channel. First, you need to understand what SkillStride offers. I've just mentioned all of them properly. Okay. The main areas of focus for SkillStride Academy is finance, marketing, and technical skill development. To cater to these sectors, they teach SEMA digital marketing programs. Additionally, they teach MS Excel, Power BI, ChatGPT, whatever they are doing. Then to get a good idea of what needs to be displayed, okay, we should definitely tell them whom are we going to display, who for whom target audience, right? So the broader audience includes college students and finance. Now understand, I have not mentioned here age group, location, all those things. Why? Because it is a YouTube channel and I'm offering it for everybody. So I have just mentioned a broader audience, okay, right? Because I want more people. I don't want specific people, right? I want more people to come to my channel. It is not a store or it's not a another thing. So I have mentioned broader audience, okay, college students, let's say in general, college students in these streams, homemakers who want to harness for their digital marketing skills, and then working professionals for career building, or small business owners who are facing some problem in these two departments and they want to solve their problems. These are the major areas, category of people I want to target. Okay. Then I will mention about the key objective of people and come up with 10 ideas. Let's not do it 10, 3 ideas. Come up with 3 ideas. So the structure you follow, since you already told you are doing it as a YouTube marketer, the role is very clear. Now you are specifically mentioning the task and giving all the information about the situation. Since it is only for ideation, there is no requirement for what other areas like how to what to avoid. All this is not required. So copying this and you are
लास्ट में 5 की जगह 2 कर दो।
free करण.
नहीं लास्ट में लास्ट 5 videos।
Chalo, let's start. Idea one: introduction to the world of finance and marketing. Let us first complete this. Now the main challenge for that you will face in real life is when you're doing it. How do you verify? Have you ever thought how to verify this is right or wrong? Uh, see, see, I'm asking in a very real life situation when you're working. Your friends will not come and sit beside you when you work, right?
Colleagues।
Everybody will not help in a work setting. Everybody will not help. I'm telling you. Or let's say you're handling a client alone. See, basically, you have to have the knowledge of what exactly you have to have a visualization of what exactly you want. Okay. Let's say first idea they are telling introduction to the world of finance and marketing. Finance and marketing for beginners, a comprehensive guide is the first video I can do. Real life success stories transforming careers with finance and marketing skills, second video. Or idea two, mastering technical skills for modern workplaces. As per my thing, they have given me multiple, you know, area, ideas. Now, I want to see practically what is the situation of my YouTube channel and what exactly needs to be done. Okay, that is how you verify. And basically, you should have a background. You cannot, if you don't have a background of this is what I want to achieve, then you cannot verify at all. So make sure you know everything very clearly what exactly you want, and then you're asking ChatGPT to help you with the content ideas. If you don't know about YouTube marketing and you're asking it to give ideas, you will not be able to verify it correctly. So make sure you learn this very clearly. Okay? So you can just select the idea. See, when you're asking for ideas, read everything properly. Somewhere or the other, you'll get the clear glimpse of what is idea, why it works, and certain method, certain visualizations you will get there. Then you'll be able to verify properly. This video would serve as an introductory guide to the basics of finance and marketing, tailored to college students, homemakers, and small business owners looking to understand their critical areas. It could cover foundational concepts, why they matter, and how mastering these can impact personal and professional growth. All these things and now you have to see. Now I am reading this. Now I will see that this is correct or wrong. Possibly I might see that see my audience for finance is different from audience for marketing. So I will see no. He has combined it. I will revise only for finance, only for marketing. What can I do? So like that you have to know what you want and verify it accordingly. Are we clear? Am I clear? Okay. So idea one. So yesterday he gave me the idea, a comprehensive introduction to Skillset Academy, outlining its mission, course offering, everything. Idea two. This is what the importance of SEMA certification in today's economy. Idea three. Digital marketing trends in 2024. Basically, in these three ideas, I like it really well. So that my first post, my first video post, I can make it as an introductory video as well, which is giving a very clear idea of what exactly we do, so that people can subscribe to our channel. Whoever, I can keep one section only for SEMA, one section only for DM, and I can just mention that, okay, how it, I can keep building on it. So first, so that like that, I can categorize. Okay. So basically, the second, do you understand about the video ideas? Yeah. I hope everybody online students are following. Then second thing is when you have an idea with you, then you have a video script. See, copy and pasting the idea is fine. But then when you are scripting for YouTube, you have to see all the areas, you have to mention specifically about all these areas. You have to talk about how what should the length of your video should be in a on a YouTube. What is the aim of the video? Description, visual description, title of the video matters a lot, very very important. And if you have main keywords with you, mention that keyword in the and ask ChatGPT to use that keyword to frame a very good title for you. Okay. Description of the video, what should be description? Let's say if you have secondary keywords already being done for YouTube marketing, then ask ChatGPT to use secondary keywords in your description to give you very good description. That's how SEO optimized content can be made. Whereby while you're making the content, let's say you're doing content marketing, right? While you're making the content, if they are telling you that we want SEO optimized content, then you ask them for keywords, and then while making the content, mention specific keywords very clearly to and tell ChatGPT that I want to integrate this keywords in my content accordingly. That is when you will get a SEO optimized content, otherwise you will not get it. Okay. And then you can ask for thumbnail of the video. So basically all these areas is what you want to include in your prompt. If you want a full complete script of your idea that you have finalized. So let's say this is the idea. I have just mentioned very clearly. See, for the above idea, please create a script with the following elements specifically mentioned. The length of the video should be up to 3 minutes. I want to showcase 3 minutes. The main aim of the video is to give the information to the users that the Skillstride Academy exists for their betterment as it mentioned in the idea. Provide the visuals of each scene relevant to the script so that my designer can understand while shooting and editing. Give me a catchy title with of the video that people can relate to. The main keyword to use is career development. Okay, let's say basically I want to showcase it like this. Give a three-liner description for the video. If I want have more secondary keywords, I can add that use these keywords in the description so that it becomes SEO optimized. Then give me suggestions on what needs to be mentioned on the thumbnail that complements the title of the video. Please also give me the visual description. Then specific instructions, avoid jargons. Like in this format, if you mention the prompt, it gives you very good results. You will also have a clarity that you have mentioned everything step by step properly. Okay. And ChatGPT will be able to understand very easily what exactly you want. Okay. If you see from the start, as per our this thing, he has given us video title using our main keyword description. Discover how skills. This is the description which can mention and the while we are uploading the video. Discover how Skillset Academy empowers your journey towards career excellence with tailored courses in finance, marketing, and technical skills. We are here to support your career development every step on the way. Join us to transform your learning into success. Okay. He's accessing the thumbnail. Text on thumbnail should be transform your career today. A big internal transform. It's not only this much we should keep. He's suggesting. A bright, inspiring image of a diverse group of people standing confidently on the path that lead towards a horizon illuminated by sunrise. The path is lined with the signposts indicating finance, marketing, and technical skills. Skillstripe's logo is promptly displayed in the corner. So if I can imagine, I can use it. Otherwise, I will give it to my designer. He will imagine, he will give it to me. Okay. So see, let's say you don't have this information. Now you have a video, you have everything. Now when you go to a designer and tell that for this video, I want a thumbnail. Okay. He will not be able to give you as per what you want. He will only be able to give you as per what he can, right? That's why some instructions for designing is very good for getting a very good apt design. Now see, scene one, you give an introduction. Clearly, they are telling you a welcoming shot of the Skillsted Academy logo, transitioning to a vibrant classroom setting with engaged students. Okay, that's a logo comes and I can shoot this. Welcome to Skillsted. Somebody is speaking. Welcome to Skillsted Academy, where your career development journey begins. Here we are all about unlocking your potential and guiding you towards your dream career. So see, how do you shoot this? The person who the videographer, he will shoot the visual first, then in the studio he will shoot the sentence. Whoever is speaking, he will shoot the sentence and he will sync it. That is how it happens on YouTube. It does not happen like Instagram where you shoot them from a camera or something. It will not work out, guys. Okay, if you want to maintain a channel, then professionally it has to be done. Second thing, so step by step, scene by scene, they will shoot, sync, and combine everything with very good transitions, and that's how the video is made. If we don't have this in proper, the editor will have very much difficulty in making this. Very much difficulty. So make sure that you have this scripting very much proper. After ideation, scripting is required in a very clear and crisp manner. See, you are the hand YouTube marketer, okay? So you will require two people with you who can help you in your efforts. You will be deciding from a marketing standpoint, but to fulfill that marketing standpoint, you require a graphic designer to help you with thumbnails and any other designing, and you require a video editor. Remember, these two are also different. One person can know it, but the skill is different. So basically, and you also require a videographer, video editor, and graphic designer. Combine all the three with yourself, and that's how the YouTube is made. So you have to be very clear that let's say tomorrow you have to talk to a graphic designer or video editor what exactly instructions you are supposed to give in writing so that he will be able to give you the output. What instructions in writing you should give to video grapher so that he will be able to shoot it as per your requirement. That connectivity has to be done. That's why we are scripting it down very clearly as per the requirement. You understand? Yeah. Yeah. I hope everybody is following. Yeah. That's how now it is done. That's it. So YouTube is all about videos. Now let's say you're doing for ads. Then instead of marketing idea, you ask for an ad idea. Same ad idea, ad script, ad media. Same process you follow for all the areas, and you'll be able to do it very easily and clearly.